Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Meatloaf 8472. Bonus points if you can figure out that reference. All right, in a bowl we have approximately 1.5 pounds of ground chuck, or 80-20. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of sage and also some salt and pepper to taste. Then we'll crack 1 egg in there. Also make sure you add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If I butcher that pronunciation, I apologize. Then you want to add 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. And then you want to add about 1/2 cup of plain breadcrumbs. And then you want to add 1 clove of minced garlic. Once you've got everything in the bowl, put on your paddle attachment to your mixer and lightly mix everything together. You can also do this by hand. I'm just being lazy. Then you want to place this in a meatloaf pan. Now, any pan will really do, any loaf pan, but I really do recommend spending the extra $20 to get yourself a meatloaf pan. It makes it a lot easier to deal with the eventual grease if you have one of these. Like I said, you can buy them on Amazon for like $20. And then you want to pop this into a 350-degree oven for 60 to 90 minutes, or until your meatloaf hits 160 internally. Okay, and we're about 40 minutes along the cooking process here. It's time to add our meatloaf topper. And that's simply just barbecue sauce. If you want to get specific, it's the blue labeled Famous Dave's barbecue sauce that I'm using here. You can make your own or use, some leftover barbecue sauce, but like I said, my favorite store brand is Famous Dave's. So you just want to keep coating this every about 10 minutes or so until, once again, your meatloaf reaches 160 internally. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our meatloaf is done. I decided to serve it with a side of fries. So, that's Meatloaf 8472. Done.